hacking series. I hope everyone doing well and also happy to see you all with another interesting ethical hacking video. In one of my ethical hacking series video, I have showed how to create a fully undetectable payload, but lot of people are facing a difficulties in replicating the steps which I showed in this video. So I thought to upgrade the technique which help all the pen tester and red team in creating an undetectable payload. So this video I'll be going to show how to create a fully undetectable payload, which is a part 2 video. I hope you guys will be enjoying it. If you are watching this video without subscribing, please subscribe the channel. It will really motivate me to do more interesting content and also be the part of channel growth. Without delay, let's get into the video. To create undetectable payload, I have divided the process into a 3 steps. First step, I'm going to create a reverse shell payload using Python MSF Venom. For that tool, I'm just going to use online reverse shell, which is I have showed on my previous video. If you didn't watch to my previous video, I'll be giving the link in the description. Please check that also. So using the online reverse shell tool, we're going to create a reverse shell views in the Python. And once we create a Python script, I'm just going to encrypt the payload so that I can bypass this and I can bypass this AV on it. For that, I'm going to use tool called PiCrypt, which is available in the GitLab. So I'll be showing on it. That is also I'll be giving all the link in the description. What are the tools I'm just using on it? So you no need to worry about it. Once we done it, step 3, final step, what we are going to do is I'm going to show how to convert the Python program into a exe file so that you can share the payload with the victim. When he's trying to do it, it is not detected from the AV, and also you will get the reverse shell of it during your penetration and ethical hacking. For that tool, I'm just going to use this Autopyexe. It is a Python program. It's a pip program. It comes with a Python package. So I'm going to show you how to install the pip package, and also I'm going to completely walk with you in this step 1, step 2, step 3 on it. Before we start, disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. I'm not responsible if you are using this content for any illegal activity. Please understand hacking is crime, and please do not get into any kind of trouble where you don't have a permission and you not have a authorizations to do it on it. Let's go quickly and see it on it. Create a payload. This is a web-based reverse shell generator code. So I have, again, as I said earlier, I have made a video how it is you can utilize it easily. You can create a payload very easily. So check out this video. And so now what I need to do is let me open a terminal. And now let me see what is my IP address of Kali. Let me make it bigger. So my Kali machine IP address is 10.0.2.1. So I'm just giving this IP address. In my case, if you want to hack over internet kind of thing, for example, victim is in a different network or something else, please use ngrok or use your port forwarding technique. Even I have made a video. I'll check out this video. In this video I have explained how you can hack over the internet, which means the devices it is not in your same network, it is in a different network, how you can hack it or during your penetration and red team things. So I have just check out this video as well. So I have, in my case, this is a lably I'm just creating. So I'm just giving a local IP address, and the port I'm going to use is 1234. So now I have given the IP and port details. So you can select whatever machines you wanted, Linux or Windows or Mac, whatever it. I'm just going with the all option. All I need to do is I need to scroll down and look for the Python script. So there is a Python. So once you given this detail, automatically this will be code will be generated on it. Okay. So now what I need to do is I need to copy this, or I can save this file, download the payload. So once it is done, it will be downloading the py file. So you can see the payload.sh is downloading. Let me save it over there. So first step, so as I showed you, we have completed this first step. So I have successfully created a reverse shell payload using Python, using the tool online one. So now I will be showing how you can encrypt this thing. So what I'm going to use is, this is a PiCrypt. This is a Python based cryptor that bypass any kind of antivirus product. So this script is developed by machine 1337. So this I'll be giving the link in the description, so you can check it out. So this program, what actually does is, first of all, you need a Python based backdoor one. You can do it from this way, or you can collect it from the GitHubs as well. And once you've done it, you have to encrypt the payload on it. Then after that, same thing, we are going to convert this exe of it. Okay. So now what we will do is, let's go and quickly clone this one. So to clone the GitHub, copy this one, go to the terminal, sudo, let me see which path I am there, pwd. Let me go to download, because there only I have downloaded the payload, and let me see ls. You can see the payload which we downloaded is there. So what I'll do is sudo git clone, and let me paste this. Okay, and clone it on it. Okay, so cloning is done successfully. So now what we have to do is, let's go and ls, and let me go to the path PiCrypt ls, and you can see all these files are downloaded. So now what I need to do is, I need to see whether there is any dependencies package I have to install to run this script. So pip install -r requirement.txt and enter. It will install all the requirements packages. It will check first of all and see if there is any package is required. It will go and install it on it. You can see this file is required for, so it is downloading, so that if this file is not there, dependencies files are not there, you will not able to run the script. Okay, so this package is completely installed it. So dependencies, everything is done. So now what I can do is, one more thing is, let me go ls. I can see that this permission doesn't have to execute on it. So if I am doing it ls -la, you can see this file is not just have a basic permission, so I cannot run the script. So to do that, sudo chmod plus executing permission. Now you can see it again. I do. So now this file have a permission. So let's go and run this. Before running it, what I have to do is, one more thing I have to do. Let me go back to the cd downloads ls. Let me move this file to this folder itself, payload.sh. So I'm just moving this file to this directory, pber Frederick, sorry, it's a home, my bad, home Frederick directory, and where I'm doing downloads and py in this path. Okay, so I'm just copying and saving on it. Let me go to this folder ls. So you can see that the payload is also there and this is also there. So now let me go and execute the script. Enter. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll be running in a python sudo python 3 PiCrypt. Actually this program supporting built it on the python 3. If you're running in then it goes in a default python 1, so that is why you're seeing this error message. So you have to run it in the python 3 if you're running in a Kali Linux. So it's again checking the same thing. It's checking the requirement modules are there or not. It will just checking, and then it will be starting on it. Okay, so you can see that now what we need to do is we need to give the, so it is in, that is why I copied in the same file, so it's easy for me to, only thing is I need to give the payload file, enter. Let me minimize this one so that I can show you the file. Let's go to the file manager, PiCrypt. You can see this file was created. So using this payload, I have encrypted and I have created this one. So if I put ls, same thing I'm doing in a terminal, you can see the file is created. So now we have created successfully payload, Python payload, and encrypted. So that using this thing, you can bypass this. Now we have, as I said, now successfully we have encrypted the payload. So now we have to convert this payload into a exe. So what I am going to do is, for that I am going to use a tool called Autopyexe. Okay, this is a comes with a Python package. So copy to this clipboard. Again, I have to go back to the terminal, sudo, and paste the pip install autopy.exe. So it will take some time to install it. Let's wait. Okay, so the program is successfully installed it. So what I need to do is I need to run just sudo auto py.exe, enter. Okay, so now the program is starting. So click browse, and here we have to give the path. So in my thing, I'm just going to, this is a file I have created. Let me open it and convert this into exe file. So you can see this is converting is happening. Let's give us some time. Okay, so you can see that it is converted in exe successfully. So where you can go see is, you can see you can travel to this path and you can see it on it. So either you can use I can navigate via let's go and see it on it. So let me open this one, PiCrypt output stub. You can see the exe is created. So if I go to properties, I have created this successfully exe file. So now we have successfully created the payload, which is undetectable by AV. Don't please upload this file to the VirusTotal or any other things, because what VirusTotal is, once it is start searching on it, the hash value will be shared with the other antivirus developers as well. So that before you, means once you just during your testing, right? So you will be uploading the file and it will automatically hash values will be encrypted and it will seize like malicious files. And when you are doing your red testing and pen testing, automatically other total virus has, as I said, already shared the hash values. The signatures will be updated in the other and AVs as well. So don't upload when you are trying to do undetectable payloads. Don't try to upload and see it in a total virus and see whether it is whether detecting or not. Rather than, what you can do is you can run it, means you can set up a Windows 10 machine or any other machines, whatever you wanted, Mac or Linux, whatever there, and install the respective antivirus, whatever you want to bypass it, then try to run it and see if that works on it, it is detecting or not. This is the way you have to do it on it. So don't upload the file when you are creating undetectable payloads. Don't upload it in the total virus, because the hash values are, you are revealing it, and total virus will be sharing it to the all the AV vendors as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you think video was useful, please consider subscribing the channel and help in the channel growth. Please reach out to me via Discord, Telegram for any queries, suggestions and feedback. For YouTube algorithm, please give like and comment. For the channel updates, please follow me on LinkedIn, Telegram and Discords. Please find all the links in the description. You can use the link to join to the groups, and you can do it. You can chat with me. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye for now. See you soon with another interesting hacking video series. Bye. Take care.